This quick tip is a nice, easy one. It's just about rounding corners off on frames, either all 4 corners or just 1 or 2 corners if you want to. I'm just going to use the rectangle frame tool here and drag out a standard looking frame. And we'll give it a bit of a fill colour just so we can see what's going on a little easier. And when I switch over here to the black arrow there, the selection tool, you can see on that frame some little marks on the outside. And one in particular is this little yellow box here. If I click on that little yellow box, it gives me a yellow diamond on each of the 4 corners. And that yellow diamond lets me do rounded corners or a number of other fancy types on the corners. So I can click on it and drag it across, and that will give me a nice default rounded corners on all 4. Make it bigger, make it smaller if you want to, or bring it right back to the start. Now, when I'm dragging that diamond across, if I hold the shift key down, that lets me do just 1 corner. So there's nothing to stop me, for example, dragging out all 4 corners and then deciding to take that one back. So you're left with something like that, for example. It's nice and easy to do, and that's just by holding the shift key when I drag that one back. But the shift key lets you do a few more things here as well when it's used in conjunction with the other keys. So for example, if I hold the Alt key and click on here, I can cycle through a number of different corner shapes. It will eventually go back to the square one. Again, just hold the Alt key and click and it goes back to the rounded corner. So it carries on cycling through 6 or 7 different shapes there. If you do that with the shift key held down, you'll see it does it just to the 1 corner. So there's nothing to stop you doing 1 corner that's different to the others, like so, for example. So that's using the shift key with the Alt key or using the shift key by itself and dragging just to give you those nice, easy rounded corners or shapes on the corners. Hopefully some help.